Greetings all. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist. We are in the video series of 108 sales questions from my fourth book, 108 Sales Questions, and today we are discussing question number 7. Let me read out the question for you. I am not great at attending conferences and exhibitions. Is it mandatory to go to conference or exhibition to generate leads? Friends, actually in business, nothing is mandatory. If you have an amazing incoming lead generation engine from your YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Insta, or from your website, you already have an amazing lead generation engine, then you don't need to go to conferences, because if you're able to fulfill all these leads and achieve your revenue target, then you don't need to go to conference or exhibition. But let me tell you what are the other advantages of going to a conference, especially international conference or national conferences. There it's not only about lead generation. You get to listen to top industry leaders. Because of that, you get a lot of insights. Because of that, your thought process changes. You will start think big. New product idea, new service idea comes to your mind. So conferences are not only for lead generation, it gives you new energy, new way of thinking. Okay, there are multiple benefits of why you should go to conferences. But to answer this question, if you have enough and more leads to achieve your target, you don't need to go to conferences, but you will get more knowledge and thinking and of course leads by attending a conference or exhibition. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on LinkedIn and Insta. Thank you once again. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist.